Is it really possible to set iron on fire? Rails, nails and other iron objects are not exactly easy to burn, right? It may even seem that iron is not flammable at all. But you just saw some fine iron threads burn. So, what's the secret behind this? As it turns out, iron burns just fine when it's hot enough. But heating a big chunk of metal is not easy. Most of the heat is quickly absorbed by the bulk of the metal. Fine threads of iron wood, however, are very easy to set on fire. Heat quickly accumulates in one place, making the iron react with oxygen, that is to burn or to set on fire. The next question which may have come to your mind is, how is burning of iron different from burning of paper? You may have noticed when the paper is constantly shredding carbon atoms which eventually bind with oxygen to form carbon dioxide gas, making what's left of the paper lighter. On the other hand, iron atoms bind to the oxygen and they stay where they are, making the wool heavier. If this was interesting, tag a friend who should watch our page Junior Scientist Club.